struggle with using wooden cutting boards in the kitchen. They just stain easily. You definitely don't want to have these juices from different proteins like chicken or shrimp or anything like that, just because it absorbs into the wood. I found this OUII cutting board. It's super sleek, it's very hygienic, and it's way easier to clean. When prepping meat, I want something that's going to be clean and safe, and this stainless steel is non-porous, so it doesn't absorb bacteria, the odors, and stains like a wood cutting board. The surface is super smooth, so my knife glides right through with no catching and no struggling. Look at that, no stains, no mess sinking into my cutting board. All the juices stay on the surface, so cleaning is easy. And it's double-sided, so after cutting my meat, I can just flip it over and use this side for fresh fruits or vegetables, and there's no cross-contamination. It even has this deep groove on the side, so that way when I'm cutting juicy foods like tomatoes, everything stays on the board and nothing gets on my counter, making it really easy to clean up after. This little section right here is a built-in garlic grater, which is perfect when I need just a bit of fresh garlic without grabbing another tool in the kitchen. And look at this, a flip-out knife sharpener. This is great for when I just need a little touch-up for my knives. I don't have to go reaching for another tool. For cleaning, a little soap and water, and it's spotless. You don't need to do any major scrubbing, and there's no stains, which makes it way easier than wood. And if you don't want to wash this by hand, it's totally dishwasher safe. So there you have it. This cutting board has it all, even a stand. It's hygienic, it's going to be built to last, it's super high quality, and it has so many tools all wrapped into one.